Welcome to What Are the Chances, where we explore probability through the fun of dice rolls. This presentation is part of your Math 201 course, designed to deepen your understanding of probability. The goal of this assignment is to practice calculating probability, compare theoretical and experimental outcomes, and use data to draw meaningful conclusions. Remember, this assignment counts for 25% of your grade. To get started, download the template from Blackboard's Module 5 or Course Assessments folder. Save the What Are the Chances template with your name and grab a 6-sided die. If you do not have a die to use at home, you can use the virtual die via the link provided on the What Are the Chances template. Preparation is key to success in this assignment. Your first task is to explain the difference between theoretical and experimental probability in 100 words. Decide which is more reliable and why. Remember, theoretical probability is math-based, while experimental relies on real results. Next, calculate the theoretical probability of rolling a 2 with one die. Theoretical probability is based on the possible outcomes in a perfect world where all outcomes are equally likely. To calculate the theoretical probability of rolling a 2 on a 6-sided die, divide the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. Consider how many sides show the number 2. Express your answer as a fraction, decimal, rounded to 3 places, and percentage, rounded to 1 decimal place. Then take your die and roll it the number of times that is equal to your age in years. For example, if you are 20 years old, roll the die 20 times. Create a table to document each roll of the die. Use this trial data to determine the experimental probability of rolling a 2 on the die. To find the experimental probability of rolling a 2, divide the number of times you roll a 2 by the total number of rolls equal to your age. Write this probability in 3 equivalent forms: as a fraction, a decimal rounded to 3 places, and a percentage rounded to 1 decimal place. Compare your experimental results with the theoretical probability. Discuss if more trials would improve accuracy and explain your reasoning. Remember, more trials often lead to more accurate results due to the law of large numbers. Before submitting, ensure your word count is met, all calculations are shown, writing is clear, and the file is saved with your name. Upload your assignment in Blackboard under Module 5 folder to complete your submission. The grading rubric includes 50 points for math work, 40 points for analysis, and 10 points for writing. Accurate calculations and clear explanations are crucial for a good grade. Utilize resources like Alex for probability review, BrainFuse tutoring available 24/7, and don't hesitate to ask your instructor for help if needed. Remember to start early to allow time for any necessary re-rolls. Contact your instructor via Blackboard, use BrainFuse, and follow the tracking calendar to stay on track.